Hey, welcome to Igloo Insurance. If you're here, you're probably looking for a quote, and we want you to know exactly what happens when you fill out that form below. My name is Brian Mahon. I'm a certified insurance counselor and owner-operator here of Igloo Insurance. So first things first is we never sell your data, ever. The information you share, your name, your phone number, your email, the type of coverage you're interested in stays here right with us. You'll only hear from real professional risk advisors here at Igloo Insurance. Now, once you submit that information, you are automatically added into our secure client relationship management system. And what that looks like on your end is some text messages and emails over the next 10 days, all designed to help you and not spam you. Our goal is to have a live professional risk advisor reach out to you directly with a phone call after that very first text message and email. So after you choose your type of insurance, you may be directed to a short form for extra details. For example, with auto insurance, we need VIN numbers and driver's license information. For home insurance, in addition to your address, we need details like the age of your roof, if you have a basement, any special coverage concerns. And life insurance, we typically need basic information like height, weight, and age, and smoking status. So it's all designed to really expedite your customized proposal from us and give you the most accurate options. In the second email we send you, we will share with you what we call our Canopy Connect link. This is optional, but it's highly recommended. And what this is a way for you to securely log in and actually share your current insurance information with us. So if you ever use Plaid to connect a budgeting app or PayPal with your bank, it's kind of like that, but in the insurance industry. So no matter the provider, you could be with State Farm or Erie or Liberty Mutual. You can log into that carrier directly and share the policy data with us. And what that does is it helps us immensely avoid the back and forth and wasted time and data collection required to serve you as best as we can. And finally, I just wanted to share at Igloo Insurance, we live by our core values here: transparency, balance, having quality options and carriers, and of course, the golden rule. So your trust matters, and we're here to make sure getting insurance simple, secure, and stress-free. So if you're ready to do that, go ahead and fill out the form below. Thanks so much.